what occurs here is point number 60, that Imam al-Barbahari, rahimahullah, said, وَالْإِيمَانُ بِأَنَّ مَعَ كُلِّ قَطْرَةٍ مَلَكٌ ينزل من السماء حتى يضعها حيث أمره الله عز وجل. And to have iman that along with every raindrop there is an angel who descends from the sky with it until he places it wherever Allah, the Mighty and Majestic, has commanded him to. Shaykh Fawzan said in explanation, there is no doubt that Allah, the Majestic and Most High, sends down the rain from the sky in measured proportion. He, the Most High, said, وَأَنزَلْنَا مِنَ السَّمَاءِ مَاءً بِقَدَرٍ فَأَسْكَنَّاهُ فِي الْأَرْضِ. Surah Al-Mu'minun, the 23rd Surah, Ayah 18, with the explanation. And we sent down rain from the sky in due measure, and we caused it to settle in the earth. Shaykh Fawzan said, Allah, the Majestic and Most High, preordained the coming down of rain, and He gave it its due measure and amount. And the earth where it should fall, and He distributes it, He the Perfect and Most High, however He wishes. So He dispatches it, and He commands and it rains, and He commands and it ceases, it stops. And along with it are angels. And there occurs in the description of Mikael, the angel Mikael, that he is entrusted with the raindrops, with the raindrops, and with the plants. So the angels carry out duties which Allah has entrusted them with. And from that is al-qatr, the raindrops. Just before finishing here, then some of the verifiers, they mention this point here, that along with each angel, or rather along with each raindrop, that's how Shaykh Fawzan finishes. But as a side point, then some of the verifiers, they mention that this point, that along with each raindrop there is an angel to bring it down. Then this is reported by Ibn Jarir al-Tabari in his tafsir and Abu Shaykh in his book Al-Azamah as being a saying of one of the Tabi'een, Al-Hakam ibn Utaybah, as being his saying. And likewise reported by Abu Shaykh in his book Al-Azamah as being also a saying of another Tabi'i, Al-Hasan al-Basri. And as for Shaykh Salih al-Suhaimi, Hafizahullah, then he mentions this report is reported from some of the Salaf and does not contradict any text. And as for just finally, as for the explanation of Shaykh Ahmad al-Najmi on this point, rahimahullah, then he said with regard to this point, there occurs in a footnote to the original, earlier edition, that it is reported from Ibn Abbas, radiyallahu anhuma, that he said, there is no plant upon the land, nor in the sea, except there is an angel entrusted with it to write down whatever falls from it, meaning whatever leaf or the like falls away from it. Refer to the tafsir of Ibn Kathir. And that the person in the footnotes had said, so this proves even more so this matter here. I mean, therefore there must be an angel for every raindrop as well, even more so. Shaykh Ahmad said, he criticized this saying and said, this is questionable. This is not necessarily the case, something doubtful. This is questionable from two aspects. Firstly, that it is not established from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Nothing is established in that regard from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, as far as I know. Secondly, that even this report here, that's quoted from Ibn Abbas, the indication of this report, for what the author mentioned, that along with every raindrop that descends, an angel comes down until he places it wherever Allah, the Mighty Majestic, has commanded him to. Is being proof for that is not clear, since the report mentions writing down whatever is going to fall from that plant. Whereas the issue here is with regard to the rain descending. I mean, if that report, even if it's authentic, it just mentions there's an angel appointed for every plant to write down whatever falls from the plant, whatever leaves or light fall away from it. But the issue here is that every raindrop coming down, there's an angel appointed to take it, bring it down until he places it. It means something different. Then the Shaykh said, and we believe in the ability of Allah, the Mighty and Majestic, and we believe that Allah knows every leaf that falls and every raindrop that falls from rain. He knows where it's going to fall. However, the coming down of an angel along with every raindrop until he places it in its place, this is a matter that's not established from the Prophet ﷺ. So I say this is questionable. This point is questionable. And Allah is the one who grants success. Alhamdulillah, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam.